To fix this problem, tap on your you have to wipe your notifications. When you get to your notifications, what you have to do is tap on the settings which is close to your profile. So just tap on this settings button. After that, you're going to be in your phone in settings. So what you have to do is to search for apps and notification. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on the see or apps. After that, what you have to do is to search for your Twitter or X account. So what you have to do is to scroll down. As you can see, the apps are a lot over here. So what you have to do is to tap on the search apps over here, then you type X. Then after that, you just scroll down and you're going to find X over here. So just tap on it when you find it. Now when you get over here, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on, which is very necessary. Now go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. After allowing every permission, go back and tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Now lastly, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for Twitter or X. So when you search for Twitter or X, you are going to see this. So just tap on it and tap on update over here as you're seeing on my phone screen. Tap on it when you find this on your phone. But when you can find updates and you can find open, don't just tap on the open, don't tap on open, but rather tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. So tap on the restart, then you tap on OK to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed. Sometimes you need to restart your phone. A lot of people uses their phone without restarting it, and this makes this problem always keeps coming. So sometimes you have to restart your phone. Sometimes too, you have to always turn your phone off when charging it. It's very, very important. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.